Sometimes life just kinda happens. There's not much you can do about it. And besides, life just wouldn't be life without the scrapes and grazes, twists and burns, splinters and splints that a little misadventure occasionally rewards us with. You can't make life unhappen, but you can make it a little bit better. One of Australia's most trusted first aid brands, Trafalgar, presents a new range of first aid kits that will help you make it better. With new packs that are clear, simple and friendly, Trafalgar's kits deliver the common sense first aid choices you've been waiting for. Straightforward icons and simple colour coding that match up with the items inside make choosing and using Trafalgar kits so easy. And you know you can rely on Trafalgar. The best bit about all this is that it's just the beginning. Trafalgar promises a serious shake-up, reimagining what a first aid kit can be and revitalising the sector in the near future. So, come along for the ride.